Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll start by making sure Scribble is enabled in iPad settings. This connects handwriting to text recognition. Open Goodnotes 6 and pick a template with handwriting enabled. Choose the Apple Pencil tool, or, if you prefer, the lasso to convert later. Write directly in any text field or on the page, you'll see strokes recognized. Once done, make sure to toggle the conversion option if you want typed text. This saves time and keeps layouts consistent for later editing. Now focus on converting and refining. Select the strokes you want and tap the handwriting to text command. Goodnotes uses recognition algorithms to match your writing. This is why neat spacing helps. Change the recognition language and handwriting style in options to improve accuracy. Use gestures, scratch out to delete, double tap to edit a word, and tap and hold to move text. Once you've converted, make layout tweaks. These small edits prevent misalignment and keep your notes searchable and export ready. Finish by reviewing converted text and aligning it visually. Then export as PDF, image, or searchable Goodnotes file depending on use. If you need to keep handwriting, export as image. For editable text, export as searchable PDF. If something goes wrong, undo immediately or reselect strokes with the lasso and reconvert. If persistent misrecognition happens, switch the recognition language, clear any conflicting grammar settings, or retrain your handwriting style in Apple settings. These steps restore accuracy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.